here is a quick summary of what we have learned thus far. And then I'm showing you the specific strategies that we can apply. So a call buyer wants the stock price to what? It wants the stock price to go up. A call seller wants the price to go down or stay down, right? Because otherwise he has to sell the calls at a certain price. The put buyer wants the prices to go down. And of course, the put seller, who's on the other side of the trade, wants the price to go up. Is this making sense thus far? Take a picture of this or print it out. So this is really important. This is your cheat sheet here. So this makes it very easy for you to say whether you want to be an option buyer or an option seller. Stop. Okay. Stop right here. And here's why. If you are confused at this point, do not go any further. Stop right here and go back, because here's what's going to happen. If you're confused right now, all that will happen if you continue watching, you will be even more confused. So go back, rewind, watch this presentation again, watch these quick 15 minutes that I did thus far, and let it sink in what you have just heard. Really, take your time. We are doing an option crash course here. So trust me, if you watch it a few times, you will get it. However, if you're a little bit confused and if you don't understand these basic principles, it will only get worse from here. So do yourself a favor. Also, if thus far this is making sense and this is helpful, do me a favor and give me a quick like. And if you're just tuned in and this is your first time here on the channel and you're enjoying this thus far and think, oh my gosh, I want to watch more videos, click on subscribe. There's a subscribe button here, and hit the little notification bell, because this way you get notified whenever I release a new video or when I'm going live. And we'll continue with the 4 strategies that you can use based on what you have learned thus far.